Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Place the Slim Pen 2 on the surface magnetic charging area and confirm the LED blinks. Once it has a charge, open Bluetooth on your Surface and select Surface Slim Pen 2 to pair. You'll see a confirmation. Make sure pen input is enabled under Settings Bluetooth and Devices Pen and Windows Ink so the OS accepts pressure and tilt. Try a quick stroke in Whiteboard to verify basic input. If it writes, move on to customization. Once paired, open the Surface app to update firmware and enable haptics so you feel click feedback. You'll want to customize the top button actions. Map one press to eraser, double press to screen snip, and hold to your favorite app. This speeds workflow. Next, calibrate pressure and tilt in Settings or the Surface app and test in a drawing program at light, medium, and heavy pressure to confirm responsiveness. If lines feel off, recalibrate and recheck tilt behavior. To finish, always dock the Slim Pen 2 on the magnetic charger when idle so it stays charged and aligned. Avoid leaving it in very hot cars or damp pockets. Replace nibs when worn, pull straight out with the nib tool and push a new nib in until it clicks. If something goes wrong, try a simple reset. Restart your Surface, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and if needed hold the pen's top button for 7 seconds to force a reconnect. That usually fixes pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.